So hello guys, welcome to my backend development tutorial. So this is our video number 11 about the backend development. We have already made our 10 videos. Those who haven't watched those 10 videos can see the link in our description box. There I have provided the link, so they will be directed to our playlist. We already have made those 10 videos. Those 10 videos are very important because we have explained everything about the backend development, like what is PHP syntax. We have executed a basic program, and the workflow is also done there. So without wasting much of your time, we will see what we are going to look for today. So today we will see about loosely packed language PHP. Means this is one of the mostly interview asked question, that what is loosely typed language in PHP. So I will explain you what is it. A loosely typed languages is one that doesn't need to define the type of a variable you are declaring. Means loosely type is a language in which we can simply write the name and assign the value to it. No need to assign its data type. For example, in C, how we define? We define int C equal to 2. Assignment is not necessary, but what is here? Here C, here this C means this C will hold an integer value. We can declare like this in C. This C is a int data type and is it holds 2. So the value should be 2 because we have declared that is int. But in PHP we can write is a dollar symbol. We can write this as PHP and we can write whatever the value we want. Means 3. Assignment defines the data type. Means this 3 itself, when we write 3, that means that it is an integer type, and when we write a b c d e f g means it is a string data type. So no need to write here like in C programming we used to define no int, string, float, double, that like that. But in this the value itself defines which data type it is. Means one is a type of, one is a integer data type. You can see here $abc, we have made one name, but this name doesn't depend that which data type it is going to hold. It depend upon the values that we are inserting, like rupees means it is a string, so it will hold string data type, that is in abc. There are some demerits, like there is a language called as strict type language. We will see what is strict type languages also. In comparison to strict type language, you cannot define a different kind of value in a different kind of variable. Example, int will always have int value. You cannot put a string in that. Means you can see, I have already explained before that whatever the thing is here int c, means once you have declared int as c, the c will always hold the integer data type. If we will try to assign int c equal to a b c d e f g, then this is wrong. You cannot do it like this, because we means, sorry for int, no, if suppose, yeah, int, because we have already declared this 2 as integer, so you cannot have string inside it. So this is wrong. But in PHP I will show you. You can come down. For example, for PHP, suppose $php equal to 1. This means that this 1 itself became an integer value because it has hold 1. Suppose after writing the program you have declared $php as 1. Now you need as no need, now you don't need 1, now you need some string values. So in that variable only you can write is as I am a string. So basically the value defines what data type it is. So as you can see, I am a string. So this means that $php is now having a string variable. Suppose before it was having an integer variable. So this will not throw any of the error in PHP, but in C it will throw an error, because you can't have this with the same name. You can't have two data types, means integer and a string. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have really learned something new about loosely data types. This is very frequently asked interview question. So those who don't know, they can take the screenshot of these all things that is written, so that they can give a proper definition once any company interview asks the question. Hope you enjoyed the session. Please like, comment, share this video with your friends. Thank you.